face, I don't recognize today. My
165.
Dito tayo sa Big W.
Road lot in Holly's channel.
Good job, yeah.
I'm looking at a face, I don't recognize.
Nakapark na kami dito sa my calls. Pero punta muna kami ng Kmart saglit. Yes?
I'm on page 52.
Okay. Already?
Yeah.
Wow, ang dami niya ng page na nabasa dun sa
If
book
I'm
na
finished, then I
nabili
do
niya.
one
Okay, come on, let's go. Anong oras na ba? What time is it? 3:44 na. Hala, baka masala naman tayo ng butcher. Come on. Okay, let's go. Sak, you have to use your elbow to press the...
Here you go. We're done.
Tapos na kami sa Kmart. Wala naman dun yung hinahanap ko. Thanks, Kuya. Dito na tayo sa calls. Okay, let's go. Alright. Hi, Baba. Welcome. So, yung dalawa magpipili raw silang strawberries. Alright. Okay. Find good one, please.
Good one.
Yeah. Yeah, right now? Huh? Look at the back, Kuya. No, not good. How about this one? Yeah, this one. Ah, no, not really good. What's that? Careful, careful. Okay. Slowly. Kuha siya ng watermelon. Okay?
Yep.
How about this one? Ang tagal na nilang hindi nakakapunta dito sa Coles. Okay, wait.
Yep.
Okay. Let's go. Yun yung isa, busy. Nilalagyan niya ng seatbelt si Mushi. Alright, Baba? Okay. It's alright.
We have to cut the strawberries.
Yes.
We have to, because there could be something.
Yeah. Kailangan namin i-cut yung strawberries kasi may case na naman dito na ninalagyan ng karayom yung strawberries.
White. We need the white.
How about, yeah, grapes?
Green. Blue.
What's that? That's not blueberries. That's raspberries. You want this one? No, you don't want.
Then look at this.
Red one. Red.
We get.
How about this one? That one. Check it first.
I like green.
Yeah, we're gonna get green as well. This one. Oh, not this one. Well, we have to find good one. Gusto ni Kuya green. Si Daddy niya green din yung gusto.
That's all white.
Alright, okay. Wait, Baba. And ito, masarap to. Ito yung black seedless. Sweet, sapphire. Wait, Kuya, we're gonna find something good. Kasi yung parang na yung likod. Alright, ito
Thank you.
Si Sak, asan si Sak? Carrots. Ang dami naman yung Sak. Not that one. Kasi mabubulot yan. Yeah, how about this one? Yeah, that one. That will do, okay.
That will do.
Na-miss nila ang pag-grocery. Meron pa akong chili doon.
Mom, we haven't went grocery for a long time.
I know. Oh, later. We're gonna get that later. Pag pauwi na tayo. Kasi naka-short ka. Lamig-lamig naka-short kayo. What? So, mamaya, babalikan natin si chicken. I like beans. October 8.
Mom, I'm looking at this one.
Yeah, get some apples. Kinilo niya si Mushi. Yes. Baba. Kuya, be careful. Be gentle with the veggies, Kuya.
I know. Nice. Mom, I always get these ones because I got the nice, strong ones there because that means they're sour.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
I love sour.
Yep.
We'll get
Yeah, get the pink lady. The red one. Here, Sak. You don't need a bag now. You just have to find good one.
next one.
Nasanay kasi si Sak na pumili ng apples.
This one, this one.
Alright, okay.
We'll get one more green. I love
Okay, green. Okay.
so they last long. So they last long.
The good one? Okay.
No, so they last long.
Yeah. You want mandarin?
Oh,
What? Oh, this is not mandarin. Parang ang tigas. Wag yan. Eto na lang. This one. Eto, kids. Ito. Yeah.
There's no
Kuya.
more nectarines than that.
Nectarines?
Yeah, and some
Yeah, wala pa. Walang nectarines today and apricot. Kuha ako ng celery kasi mag-juicing ulit ako.
I'm holding ice. Hold ice.
Okay, Sak, open your bag. Please.
Sorry, big.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm holding ice. Now hold it. Mommy, can we eat the ice?
No, 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 no. That's dirty. That's dirty, Baba. Get a big one.
Mom, I ate all my cauliflower at Animal for tea.
Good job.
Staying over.
Yeah, okay. Put it there, please. No, we don't need... Good job. Good job.
Oh.
Kuha tayo ng dalawa. Merong buo, pero okay na yun. Kasi ano na siya, naka-sealed. What's next? Okay, wait. I need a lettuce. Lettuce. You like this one, Sak?
Yeah.
Huh? Okay, put it in the cart, please. Slowly, okay? Slowly.
Put on my bag in.
Right, come on. You too, come on. Kuya.
Mom, broccoli fell on the floor, hit my foot. So
Where?
so
Okay, we need broccoli.
don't get the one, don't get the baby. Don't get the baby.
Why?
Because that's the one that fell on
Huwag ko raw kunin yung nahulog.
me.
Sak, where are you?
Oh. Baby. That's not baby. Baby.
Who likes broccoli?
Me.
Lahat sila. How about you, Ya? So, okay. Thank you. Slowly, okay? Come on. Kuya, they have red plums. What happened? What happened?
He needs his back.
See, be careful, Sa. Where? Over there. Hindi ka kasi tumitingin. Yung doon ba? Yung Kilohan doon, no?
You hear that sound?
Yeah, I did. That was you. Paano pa naman to?
You have some plum?
Yeah, where is it?
Right here.
Okay. Is it red? Is it yellow?
Yellow, pink.
Peach. Is this peach?
Oh, Mom?
No, this is not peach.
Papaya.
Yeah, I'll get Holly. Gusto niyang papaya. Okay, we'll find papaya.
Have to get some kiwis.
Okay. Kuha tayong dalawa. Kasi si Holly gustong
Oh,
gusto
that's a
to.
big one. That's a big one.
Okay.
Mommy,
Okay. Oh, sak. Okay, one more. One more. Yung medyo matigas para matagal ang buhay. Okay, here. Yeah. Thank you. Slowly, oh my God. Ayusin ko nga to kasi tingnan nyo, oh. Salat sila. Pinapalitan ko yung yung watermelon kasi maliit yung nakuha niya. Ito mas malaki. Where we gonna put this? Oh no, I'll put it here. Can you remove mushy please? Thank you.
Mom, would this be
Careful with that one. Pili siya ng kiwi.
Would that be alright?
Yeah. Here, sak. Inaayos ko to and pinalitan ko yung isa kasi sobrang tigas naman nun. Baka hindi namin yun makain ni Holly. Wait. Ano lang natin to ayusin. So ayan, naayos na natin yung mga fruits and vegetables. Si Kuya.
Don't touch that one. Don't touch it.
Why?
Wet.
It's wet? Okay. Pili muna kayo ng
Mom,
kiwi.
it's gold. Oh yeah, that.
Why don't we try that one? The gold one. Do you want to try
This
the...
is the gold one.
No, that's the green one.
No.
Oh, that's gold.
We should get one of these.
Okay, let's get this one.
Yeah, and we'll get.
And then one green. So, ito na lang. Nahirapan si Kuya pumili kasi matagal na raw siya hindi nakapag,
What about these ones?
shopping. Nagda-dry throat talaga
What about
ako.
these ones?
Now, just put it back here. Thank you. What? Gusto niya yung piras. Kasi para siyang bayabas nga. Sabi ko sa inyo, Hoy, saka
Mom,
kami.
this is.
You're lucky.
Mom, this
Pili tayo.
Mom, this is back around the corner.
I know.
Looking at this bag now.
Kasi naka-focus siya sa bag.
This head.
Ha? Laki nito.
That's a huge one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you eat this?
Yeah, I eat some hair.
Si Holly kasi ang laging nakikita. Not too big. Ah, okay.
That one.
No, it's alright. This one, Baba. The same. Careful. Ako na nga. Okay. Wala na masyadong bananas. Pili tayo. Come on.
I got the banana.
Ito.
They're all right.
Ha?
Oh, look at.
Come on, Zach. Pili pa tayo. Dito, Zach. Come on here, Zaki. Wala na kasi.
Mom, what does the green one taste like?
Sour? I don't know. Okay.
The big, that grape.
I know. Ang mahaba siya eh. Ito yung kanina pinakita ko sa yung black grapes. Black ba yun niya? Okay, come on. Potatoes. Yung brush. This one. Ito nang gusto ni Jan eh. This one. Kaya?
Just strong muscle.
Just be careful.
Stop.
Good job. Patayin natin dito sa gilid. Okay, let's go.
Hole.
Yeah, this one. Pirino.
What about this one?
No, this one na lang. Do you like cucumber, Zach? Over there. Do you want this one? So it's easy for you to eat. Huh? What? That one? No, just one. Kasi madali siya mabulok. Ha? Pili tayo medyo. Wait. Ito. Siguro kuha rin ako ng isang yung continental nila. Ito. Isa nito. Okay. I need garlic. Where's the garlic, Zach? Not this one. Okay. Yung nasa net. Nasaan kaya yun? Bawang. Meron pa akong sibuyas. Garlic ang wala ako. No. I still have onions or sibuyas. Bawang. Wala na sila yung yung nasa net na white. Wala. Ito na lang garlic ang kunin natin. Yes?
Are you allowed to wash this in like?
Yes. Yeah.
I saw someone at school.
Yeah. You should. You should try. Not now. Kasi we have to wash it. Kuha tayo nito. Kasi try daw ni Zach. Kasi nakikita niya raw sa school. Yung iba, itong baon. Kamatis. Pili tayong kamatis.
We get waffle.
I'll get avocado. You like this? Ayaw ni Zach ng avocado. Ako gusto ko to. Tayo niyan. So, pili na lang ako ng garlic na ganito. Siguro 4, 5 nito. Can you give me 5, please? Just open that one.
Like, just like.
No, I'll do it. No, I'll do it.
That's 2. 4. One more. 5.
Okay. Slowly.
Okay, are we gonna
Okay.
vegetables and fruit?
Huh?
Can we get snacks now?
Not yet. Wait. We're gonna get there, Zach. No, we're gonna get it from Baker's Delight.
Oh, you mean
You want waffles?
waffles?
This is waffles.
I thought it was like, what's them circles? Like this.
Crumpet?
Crumpet. Yeah, crumpet. Crumpet's over here.
Here. Over there.
Something smells good.
Ito, gusto nila to. Ayan, crumpets. Okay, get 2. Okay.
hold them.
And gusto ko to.
Something
Yung
smells
muffins.
good.
English muffins.
Mom,
Kuha tayo nito
I
isa.
want to see if they have that violet crumble drink.
What's that?
On the news, they put a violet crumble drink on.
Okay, you check later, yeah.
Muffin.
Okay, blueberries? Yeah, okay. How about banana one? Baba, be careful with watermelon. Let's put this one here.
That one. That one.
Okay, hold it. Go. Just one blueberries because you're not gonna be able to eat that. Masisira lang.
Man, I don't know what that smell is.
What? Kuha tayo ng croissant. Ito na lang, tapos ilagay ko siya sa freezer. Ito, ilang bang piraso ito?
Wow.
Para sa ham and cheese. Okay, baba. Careful. Yep. And get bread. Gusto ko yung naka-slice na. Ito, gusto to ni Jan. Ito yung stone bread. Wala sila yung malaki. Ito na lang. Tapos mamaya pupunta pa ako ng Baker's Delight para sa sliced bread. Naririnig nyo ba ako, guys? Yung boses ko kasi parang medyo paos. Okay. Eto. Ito mas malaki. Palitan natin yun. Yung stone bake.
Mommy, I want the rainbow donut.
You just had donut.
Mom, I found the donuts that we always used to have.
Wow. Ito, cinnamon. Gusto raw nila ng cinnamon donuts. Okay.
Yes, we're having some tonight. Thank you. Mommy, where's the bed? I found a rainbow cupcake.
You don't need rainbow
I
cupcake.
like rainbow cupcake.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Kuha tayo ng minced beef or giniling na baka. Ito.
I like Exeter. I like West Coast.
And silver side. Ngayon kunin natin yung maliit lang kasi si Jan lang naman at si Kuya minsan. Do you eat this, Kuya? No, Zachary pala. Si Kuya, corned beef.
I eat it sometimes. Yes.
Yes.
Only with cauliflower and that.
Yes, with white sauce. Also,
I just like green beef.
okay. But you like the Filipino one?
Salad?
Huh?
Salad?
Yes. Because kuha tayo yung medyo malaki kasi kumakain din sila nito. And parang ang liliit. Eto.
More donuts. Mom, we're trying the donuts. Mom.
Come on. What? Ito kanina pa ako inayaya dun sa snacks. Okay, wait.
My favorite snacks are down there.
Okay, wait. Okay, let's go. Careful, yeah. Nice, suck. What? Wait for Kuya TJ, Sak. Come on, Kuya.
There they are.
What do you call that?
Oh, the whole pack. The whole,
The assorted one.
short, red, cream.
The assorted one. Nasan yung malaki nga?
Oh, the mixed up one.
Yeah, the assorted. Where is it?
That one. Where's the mixed up one?
Alright.
Yummy.
The assorted one, yeah. Wala. Wait, hanapin ko muna.
Oh, Mom. I had them at Pars when you were at Adelaide.
Yeah,
I had
okay.
them at Pars. Can we get two? I love them. I love that middle bit.
Okay, where's the assorted one, yeah?
I don't have these, so I'll get
Wala na. Wala nang laman yung box. Oh.
Mom, I got two of them.
Okay, just get that one. The short bread cream. Okay.
Mom, I got two of them raspberries.
Okay.
2 packs of
Dagdagan natin yung raspberry kasi tingnan mo siya, oh.
Can we get 2 more for school?
Okay. Gusto niya raw baunin next week.
Next
Yeah.
month.
No, this month.
It's October, not November.
Yeah, October, end of the month.
October?
Is it?
November's Halloween.
Oh, yeah. November 1. Yeah, October 31st.
Halloween?
Yeah.
Oh wait, I'll get a snack. What's that for?
Okay, let's go. Ngayon si Sak naman.
And mommy, for the car and yogurt. Remember?
Yeah.
And vitamin.
Okay.
Oh. Where's the roller?
Over there.
No.
Oh, wait. I'm gonna get the
Here's that. In here.
my organic almond
Oh, Dad.
milk.
Big.
Dalawa nito. Mayroon pa yata ako doon na dalawa. Ito.
Okay, now let's find what that one.
Okay, wait lang.
Roll up. We should get two. You know you.
And emergency. Pag naubos yung ating gatas sa ref, ito yung ginagamit ko pang emergency. Ayusin ko ulit to. Tingnan nyo naman yung cart. Nahanap ko yung condensed milk nila. Meron, ito, naubos na yung ganito ko. Pero, nasaan yung nasa can?
Oh, we already have two.
I use it sa ginamit ko na, diba, nung gumawa ko ng cassava cake. Nasaan yung condensed nila? Ah, andito pa sa taas. Yung anak pa, ano, may dent na yung iba. Ano?
I want to get some roll up.
Okay, get one. Yeah.
Yes.
Bihira lang sila magganyan.
Wait, no, get these ones. Get these ones. Get these ones. Actually, no, they're all twisted.
Yeah. You want that one?
Yeah. That's all I want. Just these.
Okay.
I want roll up. That's what I want.
Okay. You found it? Nahanap niya na? Yeah. Yep. Baba, look! Look!
Elsa? Yes. Oh man. I cannot. Okay.
Ano sasabihin mo kay Kuya Sak?
I cannot control this. This is that heavy. I'm like pulling my back.
You said you want the big one.
No, this is the biggest.
Is that the biggest one? Careful, careful. You want 2?
Tattoo.
8 pieces yung laman. Oh, sorry. Can you get that one? Mixed berry naman to. Okay lang naman to sa kanila. Oh, welcome. Careful with the watermelon, I said, ha? Ano na kayo? How about the bars, Kuya? I think Daddy wants the yogurt one. Pang-baon-baon ba ni Jan? Sa work. Ito.
Get rainbow.
Meron siyang strawberry, mango, and honeycomb, Kuya. You like honeycomb, right?
Yeah, but I don't like Uncle Piggy's.
But Daddy wants that one.
I know. Oh, that really hurt.
Just be careful. Umuubo tayo. Pasulyap. Pasulpot-sulpot ang ubo ko.
Oh, they
Okay. Oh, here ya, Sak. Where is it? Here. Gusto niya yung ano? Yung
Oh, there's that.
key time. Here, Sak. That one? The fruit bars?
Yeah, I mean like these.
Alright. Which one you want? Ayan naman siya. Ha?
Like, where's the normal? What?
What's like normal? That's normal.
Oh, but where's the
This one.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Meron siyang laman na 9. Get 2, please. Do you want the same flavor or different one?
Mom, can we try the new
Okay.
thing? It's foggy.
What's that one?
It's like that, but
Frogs?
fruit.
Nice and natural fruit frogs. Oh, don't be careful with this.
I changed it because Zach doesn't like berry. So
Okay.
I went to rainbow.
Alright.
Berry?
Sak, where is the key time?
Rainbow.
The key time, the bars.
Yeah.
The same flavor?
Oh,
Why? You want... Do they have apple? How about apple, Kuya? You want apple? Apple and raspberry? That one.
I can't see it.
This one. Apple and raspberry.
Three dinos. That's enough snack and molly.
Yes, that's enough.
Yeah, that's enough.
Okay.
We need some, what's the name?
We have to get Yakult, Milk? Oh, watch out, watch out.
That heavy.
Okay, I'll push it now. Okay.
There's a magnet.
Diba si Mushi nandun na? Niniglet niya na si Mushi. Now we still have tissue.
Then what do we do?
Okay, we're gonna go to the... I think I still have meat in the freezer. So, yung mince lang. Siguro dagdagan ko yung mince. Kuha ulit ako ng giniling na baka. Yung kanina, kinuha ko, maliit lang ba? Kasi meron dito, mas malaki. Kasi kanina ito yung kinuha ko. Sukat tayo nitong isa. Yung mga bata, doon sila naghihintay sa akin. Kasi mabigat na raw yung cart. Yan sila.
Let's go.
Wait. Okay, let's go. Come on.
We don't need to go there.
Cover your mouth, Sak. I think I still have chicken. Meron pang chicken sa
I
freezer.
got chicken.
Yep. What happened, Sak?
Yeah.
Did you?
No, someone. I just punched it.
May nakita raw siyang dented na.
He's dented.
Is it? Okay, come on. Favorite ni Kuya, pero meron pa tayong spam. We still have spam.
Spam. Yeah, I can't wait to upload a game.
You can't wait.
Yeah. Hey, Dad, mac and cheese.
Oh, socks, yes. Not that one. Yeah, that one.
Nah, mac and cheese. No, the bigger.
This one, that's the biggest one. They're all the same. Tingnan mo naman siya. Tagal yun. No, we don't need that one.
No, there's mac and
Sak! Akin na, hurry up. Parang mas matagal tayo ngayon mag-shopping.
There's mac and cheese.
You want that? Oops.
Mac and cheese.
You want it?
Some everywhere. Is that
No.
right? Hey, remember we
Diba? Saan na natin to ilalagay? Wait lang.
Remember
Let's
when
see. Hoy, wait. Mabigat to.
clips and
Dito
the
na lang
chewy
siya.
bits?
Okay, come on.
Oh, can we get a lolly from like, remember you said we could get a lolly?
Hoy, you got lots of lollies. And then you said, no more lollies. Ah,
We could buy them.
hoy. 2 minutes noodles? Get the big one.
No, Mum.
This one.
Don't forget,
What?
we need some.
Canton? Gustong-gusto yan ni Kuya. Is that the regular?
I haven't had it for a while.
Yeah, ang tagal niya na hindi nakakain yan.
How do you like it?
I still have that one. Meron pa ako nun, yung maanghang. Okay?
I
Yun
can't
si Hol.
do it.
Okay, I'll do it, Kuya. Hindi na kain, Kuya, kasi... Alright.
Remember what you said we could get them clips?
What clips? Ah, the Mentos.
Yeah, they're like Mentos, but
Okay.
they're chewy mints.
Okay.
I'll get the chewy mints.
Okay. Kuha tayo nito kasi naubusan na tayo.
You have hundreds of
Isa na
You
lang.
have lots of them.
Ha?
You have lots of them.
Yeah, but they're not pepper steak. Kasi meron ako mga ganito. Iba-iba naman yun sa. They are all different. They're not the same. Isa na lang yung ano nila.
That's for a long, long time.
Wala na. Chicken yun eh. Isa lang. Kasi malakas ako dito kasi si Jan, di ba? Halos laging nag-steak siya. Okay. Let's go.
Get it out.
Why? She's heavy. Baba, why don't you walk, Baba? Ayaw yung maglakad. We're gonna put your yogurt and your coffee.
Yeah, because I taught.
Okay. And we're gonna get coffee for Daddy. Huh? No. Bigat muna. Oh, yeah, careful. Okay, let's go. You cannot push that, Baba. Okay, try. Oh, watch out for the people. Oh, see? Watch out for the people. You can't, Baba. You can't. Kuha tayo ng glad wrap. Yung cling wrap ba? Okay.
Mom, there's some dried fruit apricots over there.
You want? Paborito ni Kuya yung apricot. Where is it?
Healthy boy.
Yeah, you're a healthy boy.
Healthy boy. Oh,
This one? Ah, no, not pears. Apricot.
thank you. Is that enough? Is that all we get?
No, we're gonna go to the cold.
That's it? Right
Yeah. Come on, let's go, kuya.
Mom, I just want to eat it right now.
No, kuya.
Yeah.
Nahanap ko yung naughty peanuts. Oh, huh? Yeah, wait.
One nutty teller.
We still have that big, kuya. We have to finish that first. Yung peanut butter. Ito. Yung isa nito, nasaan kaya yun? What? We have to finish our cereals first, kuya. Yeah, we have to finish our cereal first. Ang dami pang cereals dun. Ito na lang. 5 stars siya, guys. And meron siyang 5 super seeds. What's that, yeah?
Can I have some apricot jam? Is it this?
Are you gonna...
I love it. Every time I get to school, get some toast with some ice.
Yeah, may free kasi sila, sa canteen every morning. Careful. Okay.
Mom, that cheese.
What cheese?
That cheese, Devondale.
Ah, okay. Gustong-gusto nila yung Devondale na cheese. Yung square. Yes, you do, Holly, because that's heavy. Gusto niya nang maging... Alright. Yes, you need... Yes, you do. Yeah. Come on.
There's a lot of... Mom, there's a lot.
Yeah, we have to finish our cereals before we buy. Yeah, we have to finish. Kasi meron pa tayo.
Very.
Wala tayong paglalagyan. Come on. Come on, kuya. Di ko nakunan, sumasayaw si Sam. Ang bagal ng mga alalay ko. Come on. Ano yung hinanap mo? What are you looking for? Not here.
And vitamins.
Vitamins. How about vitamin C?
Mom, we haven't had that one for a long time.
Yeah, because you had the vitamin C. So, ito. Yung mga nagtatanong, ito yung kanilang vitamins. Nature's Way.
No, I want the vitamin C.
Vitamin C, where is it?
Oh, no.
Where's the vitamin C? Okay. Zach? Okay, put it back. Yes, ito na lang kasi gusto nito. Hindi na siya mapakali sa gel niya. Nahanap niya yung gel niya. You want spray?
Yeah. Can I?
Let me see. Gusto niya raw itry yung spray. Okay, how about the other one? The regular one? Yeah.
Can we buy both? This one's for you, TJ. This one's for me.
Alright.
Don't use this.
No, he can use that one as well.
I get to use this one. Mom.
Yeah.
Man.
What?
Like, come and pass on right.
Sorry.
Don't get
Sorry. Okay, I will help you now. Yeah.
I think we'll be needing sunscreen soon.
I still have sunscreen. Okay, let's go. Doon tayo sa cold.
We'll buy some minions.
Ah. Come on.
Thank you. What do you want?
Okay, let's go.
Mom, can you please look?
Ah, no. Okay. Careful, Saka. This is cement here. The floor is tiles. Okay, let's go. Tulungan ko na si Kuya. Hindi to tatangkad si Sak. Come on, let's go here. This one. The black label, Kuya. Sarap to.
What about that one I saw?
What?
What's the name? Woolworth.
Okay, we'll find it. Come on. Hala, walang coffee si John. There's no dark. Oh no. Wala, sorry han. Tanong ako dun sa bata kasi nag-load siyang
Mom, milk? Oh, no, we
nag-load
don't.
siyang milk. Sabi ko sa kanya,
It's like
kung meron pa sila dito, yung dark ba? Yung
Mom, it's
straw.
like Casey's the youngest one here.
Yeah, kasi bata pa yung bata pa yung nag-work. Ha?
Mom, we're not buying olives like a big.
No, we're not.
Mom, if we can't find it, I know which one other he likes.
What? No, no.
Wrong though.
Yeah. Kuha tayo ng milk. Di ba? Naubo ako. Sorry. Eto, oh. Kuya, can you remove this, please? Kasi wala na tayong space dyan. Ang bibigat na yan. Wala pa yung bata. Yung nag-check pa kung mayroon yung strong na coffee ni Jan. Kuha muna tayo ng Yakult. Yakult. Ayun na. Andun. No more? Ah, okay. Thank you. Wala daw. Sorry, honey. Tayong Yakult. Dalawang pack.
Mom, you like it?
Yes, yes. I'll get your yogurt.
That's not by itself.
You alright? It's alright. Kuha tayo ng...
Grab as many as you can.
Okay.
Oh, I'm grabbing this one for me.
Alright. Wait.
Yeah?
So, kuha ko ng tigli-5.
Strawberry and banana?
You don't have mango, yeah.
No, I
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1,
I like banana.
2,
Mom, this would be good.
4, 5.
Mom, this would be good for
What?
broccoli.
You wanna try that one? No sugar? You sure? You wanna try that one? And blueberries. Pa tayo ng blueberries. Yes, coming. Wait.
This is one.
Walang apple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Walang apple. So, dagdagan na lang natin yung banana. You like banana, right? Yeah? 1. You want vanilla?
Yeah.
Okay, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait. Get her one.
Yeah, but she's eating it now.
Yeah, it's alright. Yeah.
Let's get a bit
You
more.
sure? Just one?
Nah, we'll get one more because of Holly.
Siguro 5 rin na vanilla.
Holly wants to, Zach wants to move.
Okay, wait. Oh, yeah. Meron na sila, oh.
Okay, let's see.
Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4.
We put a duffy.
Kuya, can you open this, please? Thank you. Huh?
My muscle's gone.
Your muscle's gone. Okay. Cheese. Ano? You like it? Okay. So, ayan. Kumuha rin ako na 5 vanilla. Wala kasing mango. Tapos 10 banana. And 5 strawberries and 5 blueberries. Okay, let's go.
Holly, make sure you go.
Ah, what's that? Yeah. Kumuha si kuya yung no sugar. Okay, come on. You want one more?
You allowed to bring a box?
Yeah, I'm allowed. Dalawa raw yung kunin niya. I-try niya raw. Okay, let's go.
If I... Whoa, what?
Sak, come on. Help kuya, please. Siya raw yung strong sa amin eh. Okay. Kuha tayo ng ham, cheese, and we're done. Oh, di ba iniwan? Come on. No, come on. May nakita siyang Elsa. Come on, hurry up. Because we're gonna go to the butcher. For schnitzel. Steak. No, that's not a game. That's not a game. Come on. No, come. Ayan yung cheese niya. What's that? What kind of cheese?
Devon.
Devondale. Okay, come on. And yung konti, si Jan, ito yung gustong-gusto niya yung cheese. Tapos ham. No, baba. And ito yung honey ham. Yung apatan. Yung mga bata doon, hinintay na lang nila ako doon. Oh. Tatakbo siya pa. Kunin yung chicken, yung dinner namin. Pero mag-order pa pala ako ng bacon. Yun ang hindi ko nakuha doon sa deli. Bacon tsaka salad. Ay, si Kuya. Sorry, Hirap na hirap si Kuya. Are you helping Kuya? Okay, wait, yeah.
Wait, Elsa.
What Elsa?
Remember my Elsa's over. Oh,
It's over there. Okay, let's go. Si Sak kumuha na ng chicken. Wait, Baba. Kuya, can you wait here? Holly, come on. Or you stay with Kuya, okay?
Hang on, I'm gonna get the ruler somewhere.
Yeah, later.
Oh, here's that.
Ayan na si Sak. Yeah, but I'm gonna order the salad sack.
Salad?
Uh-huh. I'm just gonna put it. Can you hold this, Kuya? I know, we put it here. Not yet, because I have to get salad. Not yet. Wait. Dami nakapila dito, guys. Dito pa sa kabila. Please. A kilo, please.
A kilo?
Yes, thank you. Kumuha rin ako ng streaky bacon. So, meron na tayong smiley frites and kumuha ko ng bacon, yung streaky bacon.
Did you put in there?
Not yet. Here. Okay. And kuha tayo ng salad para sa chicken. No, 72 only.
What's that?
It's alright. Pardon, sir?
So good coleslaw.
Yeah.
I used to hate it.
But now you like it. So, kumuha ko ng potato salad, coleslaw.
It's kind of sour.
Yeah, sweet and sour. And what else, Zach? Do you want macaroni salad?
Anything else?
A small macaroni salad, please. Thank you. Okay, Zach, help me, please. So, ayan yung dinner natin for tonight. Okay.
Dinner? Are we
Yeah.
having chicken?
Yes.
Yeah, I know that because that will like
Si Kuya, ayun si Kuya. Hawak-hawak niya si Holly. Oh. Hindi niya pinapakawalan si Holly. Kasi hindi ko na sila sinama si Kuya. Si Zach, humabol siya eh.
Ever since there's one time they go run off and run.
Thanks, yeah. Okay, here, we're next here.
Well, I'm getting one.
So, bayad na tayo, guys. And alam niyo ba si Zach? Di ba siya may dala nito? Sabi niya sa akin, Mom, I drop it. Pero hindi naman, binibiro niya lang ako.
Listen to me.
Why?
They just ran off.
I told you, listen to Kuya. Kasi iniwan ko sila, malulobat na ako. Malingkad yung linagyan.
What happened? What happened?
Malingkad yung
What
linagyan
did
niya.
you say?
He put the potato salad there.
Don't
What you got, Baba? M&M's? How about you? What you got?
I got
The clips. Chewy one. How about you? Tic-tac. Okay. Binuksan na nila yung kanilang tic-tac. Tsaka si Holly lang hindi. Si Kuya kinakain niya na rin yung clips. Bless you, yeah. And, ilagay na natin to. Yung iba nandun na.
Oh my god!
What happened? Alright? Okay, bayad na tayo, guys. Ayan na yung mga eco bags natin, guys. And meron pa doon yung mga fruits na lang. And, unahin ko na to. Eto siguro. And yung mga bata doon, Ayun na yung iba so far. And meron pa tayo dito. And ayun pa, Thank you. Okay, we're done here. Baker's Delight tayo, guys. Hi, Kuya. I need you. Si Kuya, kinakain niya na yung apricot. Malulobat na talaga. Hi, Zach! Dito pala, guys, dinadala yung mga plastic bag para sa recycle. Ayan, Dito, Okay, let's go. Si Kuya, may bit-bit na si Kuyang isa. And merong mga nakasabit, Kasi hindi na siya kasya dito. Okay, let's go, uy. Good job. Come on here, Zach, here. No, this way. And si Kuya and si Zach aakyat dyan kasi tutulungan nila akong ilagay ito. Okay. Thank you. Ito, bigat to.
When we get home, means I can go and load that game.
Yeah.
To do,
Hurry up, okay? Yeah. Thank you.
I do have smiley fruits.
Yeah, I got smiley fruits. Here. Okay. Okay, we're done. Let's go. Guys, bahay na kami and ayan na yung mga napamili natin. And nasara na kami ng butcher. Close na sila. Bicol yung sarado, guys. Nagsasara sila 5:30 ata. Hindi ko lang sure. And sa Baker's Delight, eto na lang yung natitirang tinapay. Ayan. So, eto lang yung nabili ko. And naka-slice na siya. So, eto yung manipis lang. Thin slice lang to. Yung gusto ni Jan is thick slice, pero wala eh. Eto na lang yung meron sila. Tapos bumili ako ng rolls. So, So, yun yung vlog natin, guys. And panoorin nyo yung channel ni Holly kasi meron din na vlog si... Yeah, wait. Yes, baby, wait. Yeah. Meron din na vlog si Holly today. Kasi nag-vlog din siya doon. Nag-mukbang siya. So, panoorin nyo yun, guys, sa channel niya. Pero hindi ko alam kung kailan ko yung ma-upload. Pero soon. So, yun na yung vlog natin, guys. Close ko na yung vlog. And parang nawawala na ako ng boses. And alam niyo naman yung dinner namin, chicken. So, let's close the vlog, guys. Bye. Let's close. Let's close, kuya. Yeah, it's... Ano na? Ano? Ha? Did you change the clock?
Yes.
Okay, close na natin. Come on. Okay, let's close the vlog.
Okay.
Okay, guys.
Please like, please subscribe. If you haven't yet, see you next vlog.
Good night, guys. Bye. So, yun nga. Hindi ako mag-vlog ngayong October. Pero yung first day of school ni Holly, yun yung next yung mapapanood after nito. Pero, yun nga, babalik ulit ako sa late vlogs after nito, guys. So, thank you. Diba sa nag-bye na ako, pero madami pa akong sinasabi. So, good night. Bye. Put away time. Okay, bye, guys.
I'm looking at a face I don't recognize today myself. Don't know what to say, things ain't the same. I felt that we lost our way, the street is two ways and girl. And everybody keeping to themselves. I know
Dies to me who you see, 'cause